So this video, I'm going to show you how to do some light finger waves, short pixie cut, whatever you want to call it. I'm using a full lace wig from my website, Tiannablancoo.com. And this is going to be about a 10-inch, well, it was about a 12-inch full lace wig. However, I'll cut it into a bob, and now I just want to cut it even shorter and do like a finger wave kind of style. So I'm going ahead and I'm taking a razor comb. This is about $2 from your local beauty supply store. And I wet the hair because I want to do it while it's wet, just to see the effect that it's going to give. However, when I'm usually cutting and layering hair, I wait till the hair is fully dry. But I am doing it wet because it's a short style. In this wig, I want to look like that wet look. So I'm just taking random pieces and I'm just like combing through it. You know, you can see what I'm doing. Sometimes you need to go. Like sometimes I'd be so bored with wigs that I'd be wanting to try different things. So I was like, let's go wig. I wasn't really feeling her as a bob anymore, so. And you want to like wet it, mousse it, wet it, and mousse it. And this is my first attempt ever doing finger waves, so don't be coming for me, alright? I'm using a mousse and I'm taking my comb. I'm just showing you that you can part it. And I started from the back because the sides was giving me trouble. So I was like, let me just try it in the back and see how it works. So literally, I'm like trying to do a wave and then placing my finger. Girl, it was a mess, but it's gonna take multiple attempts for me to get this right. It looks very easy. You would think it's very easy because it's just one big ass wave, but no, this shit is hard. And then the key thing to this is like keep adding mousse so that, you know, can like stiffen it up. Look, this was my attempt, all right? I told y'all this is my first attempt, so save the little comments. Oh, that ain't no finger wave. That ain't no. This is the Tianna wave. Oh, and I'm just trying to keep swirling and swirling, going back, swirling. And then I'm going to place it under my dryer cap for about 20 to 25 minutes. And that dryer cap I got from Amazon for $10. I'll link it below. And this is her. And we are ready to put her on. I need a name for her. Now you can wear this wig glueless. That's what I did. So I'm just going to show you guys again. And it's going to take some time for me to like really fleek this wig, but I'm just trying to show you how it is when you put it on. And I'm just taking a little bit of powder, foundation powder, just to clean up that part. And you see, bada boom, bada bam. But as you can see, like, I did a good job. I don't give a fuck what y'all say. I did a good job.